All right, so I want to be able now to check some attendance to see who came on and when. So I'm going to go to course administration. I'm going to click on reports and I'm going to go to logs. Now logs, see, no student came into this class today at all. But no student, no, I need to click get these logs. Sorry about that. Then this tells me all of that I was here. I did this. I came in on this website address. I did all of this. Now students can say, boy, I did come in and I even do this and do that. And then you check the logs, they don't see them there. That means they didn't do anything. They're telling lies. All right. Or if they only came in and they didn't do anything at all, they just sign in and say, I'm present. But as you didn't do anything, and not when market do. But Miss, I do it. I'm sorry, I do anything. No, I don't see anything in the logs right there. So you didn't do anything. All right. And then you have the live logs, right? And the live logs now tell you as they are doing it, as they are clicking the buttons, the live logs is going to update and show you what they are doing on the site. All right, so this is one of a very good detail we have collecting attendance for your students while they access your course. All right, so if they don't go on it, you will know. You can say, sir, there is nothing in the logs that you did anything or you even entered the course. All right. So, or miss, there is nothing in the logs. So you didn't do anything. So I cannot mark you present. All right. And so every 60 seconds, these live logs are what? Updating.